we introduce the Kawasaki Robotics MS5N. The MS5N clean robot has been specifically designed for medical and pharmaceutical applications, such as assembly, dispensing, and inspection. Made entirely of stainless steel, the MS5N offers maximum speed, precision, and hygiene to meet the healthcare industry's highest cleanroom standards. The 7-axis MS5N offers a payload of 5 kilograms, a maximum reach of 660 millimeters, and a small footprint, making it ideal for applications ranging from sample handling to the creation of individual drugs. The through-arm cable routing design enables easy installation of encapsulated end-of-arm tools. The IP67 protection class, combined with ISO Class 5 and resistance to VHP, make the MS5N perfect for demanding work in clean rooms. The stainless steel robot meets all specifications for processing equipment in the healthcare industry in terms of accuracy, consistency, and cleanliness. The MS5N. Discover the world of Kawasaki Robotics.